video.
Yes.
We're back with a travel vlogging, people. You know how long we've been wanting to do these videos? Like, we've been wanting to do these since we started our channel, but with the whole thing with the pandemic, beach closing, opening, the back of people, we're not in that. So things are a little bit more cohesive now. Cohesive right now. Alright, so I'm not gonna tell you the location of where we're going. I'm just gonna have you guys guess. I don't know, probably in the time to 2 weeks after from now, but we're now put it in there. Just guess where we're going. The location is Saint Anne. It's a beach travel vlog, so tell me we can guess. Alright guys, so it's just the two of us right now. We're gonna be traveling with much more other people, right? We're carpooling to go there. So y'all gonna see the fam. Yes, you're gonna see little Mike, it was his birthday. So enjoy the journey. We're gonna show everything. We're gonna vlog, and I just hope y'all like it.
Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like up the video, share it with your friends, tell a friend to subscribe to Orin and Shadika forever.
And people, watch the ads.
Watch the ads so you go out more often.
Yeah, I follow our Instagram at Orin and Shadika, my business page at The Wick Factor, and Orin page.
My business page at the OG Tech Store.
Yeah guys,
my personal page at Young Zala.
Alright, this is a lot of talking now. Anymore, no more, that's it.
So stay tuned.
And enjoy the vlog.
Watch her. Nice, see? Look how girl nice. Jesus.
Fresh and clean. And guess what? I don't have to put on weave. Hey, I don't know, this is my business for my page at The Wick Factor. Don't be ashamed of it, you need a weave. You need it.
You need the weave, girls. Buy up on a wig, then the pants here.
But rotted cup though.
Too early for this.
That may I say,
we don't live nowhere.
8 o'clock.
We don't live anywhere. Why not the
80th? So people, you can't do nothing with Jamaican people. People supposed to dip on the tour from 8:30. The time currently is, I'm telling, what time is it?
9:12.
9:12. We're supposed to dip on a tour 9:30. And here comes the guilty party.
Take out it.
Guilty party. Alright, this will be. Yes. People burning up. Time for leave. The beach are close for me watch Jesus. We're supposed to go and open beach and beach are open life for you. No man, we need time to travel. This is a travel vlog and we can't travel yet. No, this don't alright. This not corporative, this don't alright.
When the title of this video will Italian name sitting in a hot car.
The Italian name can't reach. We just can't reach. It's what it is. No, sir.
Sitting in a hot car.
No, I feel how you do. I'm this try. I can't do nothing group, you know. I say take a best self and go to and do it. This not right. This not right. People would have been reached a long time. I sit on the gate and them say, come in man, you can't come early. Say, can you come early and nice? You'll get first access. You say you get first access. Alright people, we finally I move. Finally I leave. Finally. It is 9:31. We should have been on the road from 8:30. We're just a leave. I'm still in Portmore. But finally are on the journey now. We're gonna show you of that and we're gonna show you the entire what you call it? Beach vlog or the beach trip? Yeah. You know, I'm smiling for the video. Yes, man. Come. Yes, my boy. Yes. Come on. People up on the roadside. You know, come out. Yes, so man, that's nice. Come take a nice picture with me. Come take a picture with me, man. So hot. People, why are you not be looking for it? Yeah? Or you not be looking for it? Yeah? Orin, come on, the place nice. Come on, the place nice.
It's bullshit.
Because of you, Lord God, we have another chance here on this earth.
Hello. But as you can see, we're going through the toll.
Thank you. Our people will finally reach. Yeah, and can guess over there yet? Make we know. Comment it down below. But we're not gonna do much talking because you know, beer breeze, beer nice, music, everything.
We are first, second people free Caucasian reach first.
Yeah, so we look crew there. So.
Yeah, the other three carry them to reach.
Yeah. So we're just kind of showing everything what I go on. And yeah, make sure you like, subscribe and watch the ads and people.
Yeah.
Alright.
Subscribe to the channel now, man. Do the right thing. God is watching. My. Why you matching with my?
Just get
Who
out.
tell us to do it? Why you do it? Watching me, man, run up and down now. People, tell me if this nasty.
Don't you
Shadika
dare.
says-
Don't you. It's
Shadika says it is
nasty.
nasty to
It is
pee in the
nasty.
seawater. Tell me if you have ever done that in river water or seawater.
It's
Because I know
nasty. Even if people didn't know,
everybody
you should do it.
in
That's
Jamaica
nasty. That
do
is
that.
nasty.
And I shall do it today. Now
I'm
look
staying
at
away from
Shadika.
you. You a nasty nigga. That's nasty.
Now look at you.
Alright, so we definitely give a big up to the subscriber that gave us the stick that we're currently using. We don't have a B-roll of it. Actually, we love it. What's name?
Marlon.
Marlon. Big
Marlon.
up yourself. We really appreciate and the other stuff that you gave us as well. We're really very gracious for it. Thank you. People will change, you know, and finally get into the festivities.
I said check it out 1, 2. Yeah, big up to the people that reach a Porto Seco Beach. They know say everything globalized, everything good.
Really, Virginia? So you're going like you're nice. You know I'm not going to the water with the skirt on. Really, Orion? And I hear somebody that take it up on the sun. I'm not take it in the water yet.
No, me just want to in the water. Did we find a car? You can see my tunneling through the sun a while ago, see there? I found him tunneling through the sun just now.
Come Orion. What's Orion? Orion. You gone so far. Me can't stand up with the camera.
Look here. It's actually waterproof.
Oh. Hi, Kimani. No, some people, the water don't feel too bad. Orion, man.
Want me a practice?
Oh, fudge. No, sir, the water you're cold in a real life. No, sir.
Nasty, nasty.
Hi.
You can see how the place hotter and the water cold.
It's cold. It's cold. Alright, enjoy yourself, the videos. Alright.
People, you need to come to Jamaica. If you're not in Jamaica, the water is lovely.
No, so we can't even
Nasty,
afford.
she nasty.
Alright, so we have got so far, brother.
So far.
You want to carry it?
Hey, you're heavy, you know, Shadi. Wait, we will carry it now. Bring back this now, man. People will check in later when I swim.
It's
my
a-
version of swimming, because this is not swimming.
And it's the girl Shadika.
People, when it's exclusive like this, you don't go to water. Water comes to you. Just come right to you.
And their boy Orange. And their boy Mike.
Come Orion.
it's your boy Meik.
Alright guys, so we're heading over to the pool for a little bit now. I wanted to go on the obstacle course, let me show y'all. Obstacle course, but Orin doesn't want to, and it really doesn't seem like anybody is there. So I guess we're going to test back right here, so after the pool. I just wanted to do one thing and finish, but Orin's like, no, I don't want to go over there. Just a killjoy. Yeah, 5 feet. I am 5 feet somewhere.
Okay.
Oh my god, Orin. Orin, my name is sure.
Somebody's vomiting up whole lot.
That's true. You used to call me on my cell phone. Orin, what again? Yes, I'm right here.
The person can just go with that road before you even come up.
Ready?
Look at this child.
Or them like, but the water 5 feet, like I'm 5 feet some inches, and I can barely stand up. No, but I'm like what 4 inches? My head is 4 inches long.
4 inches. Now look at me, 5 feet.
But you're not. I'm 6. You're not. Yes, this one.
A style, she a style, man. Slowly walk over.
Oh my god, get some people. Okay.
Oh, come here.
That looks good.
Yeah, no purity genuine is there. Everything can blue.
I just don't hear them say I'm here.
What a pretty dog.
Yeah. The water, man. Might never get rid of nothing, man. Look at you, baby. Come. Arian. Right?
Hey guys. Just run. Unless you drink a full of water. $20 out here. Alright, I could see her 20 minutes. Jeez, we miss it. Focus, Jamaica Ninja! Jamaica Ninja, focus! You know me, I gotta take a tumble. What you need, Emma Wobble? Taco, you see, ready? Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. You put your hand at the end. Alright, now go across. Wait. You go across. Make sure what Marley and you go across. Make sure you go Marley. Come across.
Go on, Mike, mother. One after the other, Anthony. You got this. Just go and step with your foot and push with the hand.
Yes, come on, don't stop.
Kick.
That's it. Come on, one more. Open the leg now. Open the leg. Take your leg. That's it.
Go on like your step. She good, man. She bad. You see? No. Go on, Tina. Go on. Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Go on. Go on. Take your time. Kick and go on cross. Kick and go on cross. Kick and go across. Kick and go across again. Kick and go across. TVJ News. That's on cam. TVJ News. She just split her nose, yo. You can't even. Alright, hold them. Go! Yes, me catch that. Me catch that. Yes, Orion, we are catch you if you drop off, you know. Run. No, in the pushing him. Bala. $20 minutes, just slide. Nikki, afraid, you know.
Alright people, so we're back in the car now. Like you'd have seen all of that we just went down. No worry, the video not done yet, it don't done yet. But you'd have just seen when we went on the the obstacle course, some wipeout looking shit. I guess the footage courtesy from Nick and Jeremiah because my phone was dying, I couldn't carry it out there. Our phone was waterproof, so we'd have to just work with it. So we got some footage and I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll just give you an update. We're about to leave the property and go get some food.
Yeah guys, so this is where we're going to have some food to eat.
Alright guys, so this is what we ordered. Some jerk chicken. This is breast and wing. Shadika got leg and thigh.
And we get some festival
leg.
You can see it, yeah.
Some worm looking something.
Yeah.
So yeah, see it here. This is what we got.
We are give people them dog name Blackie.
Right, you know.
Yeah, puppy.
Yes, Blackie. Hey, where is the
Oh no, Mr. One there.
Alright guys, so as you saw, we reached the spot. We eat little something now, we belly full and so we are going, you know, go we yard, as you can see from our house. Greasy. Yes. So we soon drive out now for go home. So this is where we end this vlog for today guys. We hope you enjoyed watching it as we enjoyed, you know, enjoying ourselves. You have anything to add, Shadi?
Like, share and subscribe guys. Definitely
And
comment
comment.
this video. Get these videos to what, 50 likes?
Yeah, 50 likes. We want 50 likes. We're not asking so much. Just 50 likes. So if you made it to the end of the video, please like it up. Leave a comment. Watch the ads.
Guys, and you can always mention what you would like to see next.
Yes. So yeah guys, see you in the next video. Bye guys.